Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC code B1040 indicates that the body control module, BCM, has lost communication with the front wiper control unit or motor. This diagnostic trouble code is crucial because it affects the operation of the windshield wipers, which are essential for visibility during adverse weather conditions. The BCM, located within the vehicle's electrical system, controls various functions, including lights, locks, and wipers. When the BCM detects that it cannot communicate with the front wiper control unit, it stores DTC B1040 to indicate a potential failure in the communication link. This issue can stem from multiple causes, ranging from wiring issues to component failures. Understanding the precise nature of this fault is essential for effective troubleshooting and repair of the vehicle. DTC B1040 signifies a communication breakdown between the body control module, the BCM, and the windshield wiper control components. The BCM is responsible for controlling a variety of vehicle functions and is situated within the vehicle's main electrical system, often under the dashboard. The windshield wiper control unit, located near the front of the vehicle, near the wiper motor, sends signals to the BCM. If this unit cannot communicate properly, it indicates either a wiring problem or a fault within the components themselves. The wiper motor is directly influenced by commands sent from the wiper control unit. Thus, failures in communication can lead to improper or complete loss of function of the windshield wipers, creating safety risks under poor visibility conditions. The failure mechanism could involve physical damage to wires or connectors, causing a disrupted signal path. Several possible causes can trigger DTC B1040, starting with wiring issues. Damage, corrosion, or shorts within the wiring harness that connects the BCM to the windshield wiper control unit can disrupt communication. Such problems often manifest as poor or intermittent contact within the connectors. Additionally, a faulty windshield wiper control unit can occur due to internal component failure, which prevents it from properly interacting with the BCM. Lastly, a malfunction within the BCM itself can also lead to communication errors, making it essential to diagnose and test the BCM to rule out internal faults. Each of these causes should be methodically evaluated during troubleshooting to pinpoint the source of the problem accurately. When DTC B1040 is present, symptoms can include a complete loss of windshield wiper functionality. This means that the wipers may fail to activate in response to switch inputs from the driver. Additionally, if the system is intermittently failing, the wipers may operate erratically, stopping unexpectedly or running inconsistently. In many cases, a warning light may be displayed on the dashboard, indicating an electrical fault within the body control system. Drivers should be aware that these symptoms compromise safety by reducing driver visibility during rain or snow. Addressing these issues promptly is vital to ensure the functionality of the vehicle and enhance safety while driving in inclement weather. The first step in troubleshooting DTC B1040 is to turn the vehicle's ignition to the on position and allow it to stabilize for a minimum of 4 seconds. This initial setup is crucial because it allows the body control module, BCM, to perform self-checks and establish communication with the windshield wiper control unit. The BCM is responsible for monitoring various subsystems in the vehicle, and the on position facilitates diagnostics by supplying power to necessary components. By waiting 4 seconds, we can ensure all systems have the opportunity to initialize properly. This step is foundational, setting the stage for further inspections and ensuring any potential errors are accurately captured in the system diagnostics. In the second step, the troubleshooting process requires disconnecting various components to inspect the wiring harness and connectors. Start by disconnecting the windshield wiper control unit / motor connector, which typically features 5 pins. Next, disconnect the body control module BCM connector, which usually contains a larger number of terminals, often 66. Disconnecting these creates a safe environment for conducting thorough visual inspections of the connectors and wiring. Check for signs of damage, such as frayed wires, corrosion, or any other physical impairments that could inhibit communication. Confirming the condition of these connections is critical, as they play a vital role in maintaining functional communication between the BCM and the wiper control unit. After ensuring that connections are secure and free of damage, the next step involves inspecting the +B wiper circuit. Utilizing a multimeter, measure the voltage on this circuit while in the ignition on mode. This circuit should show a consistent 12-volt battery voltage, indicating that power is being delivered properly from the power source to the windshield wiper control components. If voltage is absent or significantly below this threshold, it suggests a failure in the power delivery system, necessitating further inspection of power distribution points. Ensuring that this fundamental power supply is intact is essential for the subsequent functionality of the entire system, as all operations depend on reliable electrical energy. In this troubleshooting step, we assess ground continuity within the system. A reliable ground connection is essential for electrical components to function correctly. Measure the resistance of the ground wire, looking for values less than 1 ohm to indicate a proper ground connection that is solid and reliable. If resistance is higher, or if there is no continuity, this may pinpoint an open ground circuit or poor connectivity, leading to communication issues between the BCM and the front wiper control unit. Verifying continuity and appropriate resistance levels safeguards against faulty grounding, which is one of the common faults in automotive electrical systems. Next, the troubleshooting steps focus on inspecting the local interconnect network, abbreviated as LIN, specifically the LIN FR wiper circuit. This communication bus allows the body control module, BCM, and the windshield wiper motor to share data and command signals. Using the multimeter, verify that this circuit is free from opens by checking for less than 1 ohm of resistance. If higher resistance or an open circuit is found, it indicates a break in communication that could significantly impact wiper functionality. Proper inspection of communication lines is crucial because issues here could lead to intermittent or failed operation of the windshield wipers, resulting in reduced driver visibility. After completing the necessary repairs and replacements, the next step is to verify that the issues have been resolved. Begin by clearing the diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, stored in the body control module BCM using a diagnostic tool. This step helps to reset the system and allow any new operational conditions to be recorded. Once the DTCs have been cleared, test the windshield wiper functionality by activating the wipers through their standard controls. Successful operation indicates that communication with the BCM has been restored and no further issues are detected. Verification is an important step, ensuring that the repairs made have fully addressed the problem, represented by DTC B1040. To prevent the recurrence of issues related to DTC B1040, engaging in proactive maintenance is essential. Begin by regularly checking the condition of wiring and connectors associated with the windshield wiper and body control module. This inspection should include looking for frayed wires, corrosion, or loose connections that can impair communication. Additionally, routinely test the windshield wiper functionality during regular vehicle maintenance checks. This ensures the system remains operable and allows for early detection of any anomalies. Implementing preventive measures supports optimal performance and longevity of the vehicle's electrical systems, ultimately promoting safe driving conditions irrespective of weather. In summary, DTC B1040 highlights a critical communication failure between the body control module and the windshield wiper control unit, impacting wiper operation, which is vital for safe vehicle operation. Troubleshooting involves meticulous inspection of electrical circuits and connectors to identify issues that could disrupt communication. The inspection process requires an understanding of various components and their interdependencies. Emphasizing the importance of proper electrical connectivity, it is important to recognize that even minor issues in wiring can lead to significant problems. Therefore, regular maintenance checks are essential for automobile safety, ensuring all components function effectively together for optimal performance. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.